This lesson is about writing inequalities. Jane is taking some friends to the movies. She will be buying popcorn and drinks for everyone. Drinks, D, cost $2.25 each, and medium popcorns, P, cost $6.75 each. Jane has no more than $40 to spend on snacks. Write an inequality to represent all possible combination of drinks and medium popcorns that Jane can afford. Okay, so this problem is an inequality because it says that Jane has no more than $40 to spend. So she could spend up to 40 or she could spend less. Okay, but she is buying drinks and popcorn for her friends. So we're going to see all the different possible combinations for that. Okay, the first thing we're going to consider is that we're going to be using our standard form of AX plus BY equals C, except for we won't be using the equal sign. We're going to be using an inequality symbol, okay? But our what we're using here is our the two different variables that we're considering is the cost of the drinks. So we have drinks that cost $2.25 each, and we have popcorn that cost $6.75 each, and of course we have the no more than $40 that we can spend. All right, so we are simply going to call the drinks is going to be D. So we have $2.25 times D plus the cost of the popcorns. So that's going to be P, $6.75 P. So plus $6.75 times P. And it has to be no more than $40. So we're going to represent that as no more than. That's going to be less than or equal to $40. So she can spend 40, but she cannot spend more than that. So this would be the inequality that represents all of the possible combination of drinks and popcorns that Jane can afford to buy for her friends. All right, let's just take a look at this one more example. It says that a bakery sells cupcakes for $4 each and cookies for $3 each. Melanie has $24. Which inequality represents the number of cookies X and the number of cookies Y that Melanie can buy? Okay, let's just go ahead and make sure we circle some information. A bakery sells cupcakes for $4 each and cookies for $3 each. And we are going to represent our cookies with, our cupcakes with an X, and we're going to represent our cookies with the Y. All right. So that means we need 4 times X and 3 times Y. So 4X plus 3Y, and it can be equal to or less than $24. So 4X plus 3Y, and it has to be less than or equal to $24. So you can see on here, this answer would be C. All right, that's a quick look at writing inequalities.